Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're going to be doing, with the Aerojet here, we're going to be doing the long-awaited speed run. I'm going to be doing the performance speed run and then a just dive speed run with the gear on, okay, and get the readings on that. Then we'll switch batteries and we'll do the same thing, but with the gear off and be able to compare the two. All right, let's get our speed run, performance run with the gear on. Got a 50mm X-Fly. Ducted fan on there. We are reading.
Motor hot and will burn you.
Okay. Then we'll take the gear off and change batteries. Run an SMC pack. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. All right, that's full speed into the wind there. Let me get it turned around here.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
All right, let's get our reading.
Motor safe.
Stop. Read. All right, 56 mile an hour. Into the wind. Performance run. So let's get into a hard dive. See if we can't get up over 70 mile an hour.
Motor hot and will burn you.
All right, we're reading. I don't think we're going to be much faster.
Motor safe.
All right. All right, 60 mile an hour. 60. All right, now, what we're going to do now, take the gear off and change batteries and do the same test. I'm going to take the battery out. Using the exact same battery because I want a fresh battery. It's an SMC 2400 high voltage pack. Okay. Put a fresh one in. Plug that back in. Okay. Okay, turn her over. And all you do to change the gear on this, just press in there on this button, slides that gear out, press on that button, slide that gear out, then you got this Phillips head grub screw here. Just pull it out just enough so that your wheel pulls out, and then tighten that screw back down so you don't lose it. Okay, now we have no gear. Okay, start our timer over.
Timer reset.
Make sure we're reading on our performance analyzer. And we are. Okay. This will be a level with.
Motor hot and will burn you.
All right.
Safe mode. AS3X mode.
All right. All right, that should definitely give me my performance run. Well, hold on. It's just a way to breathe more life into an Aeroscout. All right. All right. Stop. Read. All right, 60 mile an hour, straight and level. All right, let's do a hard dive now. Okay. We're reading. Got some grass on there.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, that should definitely get it. All right, go ahead and get it landed.
Motor safe.
All right. Now, K&N Additive is going to be sending me out the 64 millimeter fan unit to do it. And I've got another Aeroscout that I'm going to convert to that. And I guarantee you, I'm hoping to get 100 mile an hour out of that one. Read. 67 mile an hour. 67 mile an hour in a little Aeroscout with a 50 millimeter X-Fly ducted fan. Still got 2.5 minutes. Let's not waste the battery. Let's have some fun.
Motor hot and will burn you. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Definitely faster than your average Aeroscout.
One minute.
Oh, I was trying to avoid that, but oh well.
Safe.
Yeah, I ate up there, but we're good. All right. Check our battery real quick. Somewhere, my checker. All right. 32% left. All right, well, there you go. That's the GNS Performance Analyzer right there. I'll have a link in the description of the video. Get that Emotion RC. Actually, I think Hobby's Home, or Horizon Hobby now sells them. And that's the KN additive kit. It's like 18, 20 bucks. And then some shipping. And it's got a real simple video on how you'll need yourself a good 40 to 50 amp ESC and a good 50 amp or a 50 millimeter fan. It's just a bolt-on mod. It's one of the few mods that I really endorse and think it's a good mod. And it's fun. It just breathes new life into your Aeroscout. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then Aerojets. Bye-bye.